Hi there. Today we're going to go over some breathing exercises. And to start, we're going to do one called hand on heart, hand on belly. So we're going to place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. And we'll take a deep breath through your nose and a long, slow exhale out through your mouth. And so that's one that we can repeat for a few minutes or until you feel calm. And it's really accessible no matter where you are. And having your hand on your chest and on your belly helps to remind yourself where you're breathing from and reconnect your mind and your body. So the next exercise I'm going to go through is called balloon breathing. So you imagine that you have a balloon in your stomach. And then as you breathe in through your nose, imagine you're inflating the balloon to its fullest capacity, like right before it's about to pop. And as you feel that your belly expanding at the same time. So it's like you almost feel the balloon filling up in your belly. And then you hold your breath for a few seconds when it's that full. And then as you slowly and steadily breathe out through your mouth, imagine that balloon deflating completely as your stomach then starts to contract. So we'll practice this together. So we're gonna breathe in now, and my hands are on my belly, which you can't quite see. There we go. And just like the one before, you can do this as many times as you want until you feel calm and reconnected to your breath. And so the last one for today is called low and slow breath. So how we do it is we take a deep and comfortable breath in through your nose and for a count of four. So as you're breathing in through your nose, you're counting to four. And as you do this, I want you to focus on breathing into your lower ribs or your stomach. So similar to the last two exercises, we're really focusing on where your breath is going and how you're filling your body. Um, so once you've done that breath and for 4 seconds, you then are going to pause for a few seconds, hold that breath, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. So imagining you're blowing through a straw is one way to picture how you're releasing the air. Um, so we focus on dropping our shoulders and relaxing our muscles with each exhale. So each time you do this, you want to repeat this at least 4 times to give yourself a little pause between and give yourself a pause between each one. Um, and then it sort of helps you to return to your natural breathing pattern. Um, so we'll do that again together. Um, so for a count of 4, I'm going to be inhaling through my nose, and then I'm going to pause for a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to exhale as though through a straw for a count of 8, and then again pausing before I breathe in again. Okay, so here we go. And then in again. And again, pausing between each of those sets. So we can repeat that at least 4 times to return to your natural breathing pattern. And thank you for taking the time to take care of yourself today.